G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So you saw the update, you saw that we brought Sam home, and you can see it's already stripped. Right now we're going to run through what we've done with Sam to get him in this condition. Aliyah and I have spent all day on Sam. Let's get straight into it. Righto, so the rubber's so brittle, old and cracked. It's so hard we can't even cut it off. So we're working between like your scraper knives, even screwdrivers to try to break that rubber away so that we can get this glass out. You see that's just coming apart. We'll just have to work very nice and slowly because the last thing we want to do is break this glass. Bottom was very brittle, top's actually, well, it's pretty rubbishy, but at least we can run a knife through it without it all shattering off. So we'll just keep running the knife all the way through and that'll get that rubber seal straight out of there. Righto, so just support that. You ready? I'm going to put the screwdriver in there. Can you get the fingers in there? Got it? 2 hands. Right, lift it out. Nice. And all that. Got it? Got it? Good job. Oh, that's excellent. There's no rust anywhere in those lip seals.
Perfect.
Perfect. Go. Nylon seals look really good. Yeah. Pull. I need a bit of working backwards and forwards. Cool. Now you got a real convertible. Pretty good, no rust under there either. Excellent. Righto, pretty good news. So it's pretty rust free, which is an absolute incredible because it's been sitting out in the weather, out on some very dry farms out west for a long time. But a little bit of rust right here at the back. That's why we had trouble trying to pry that back thing off. We've got some pry bars in there. We've got that off. But no rust anywhere around here. No rust under the front windscreen. No rust on the back of the rubber seals where the glass was. So besides this little bit and a little bit in the bottom of the doors, make sure that we can rust prep it all so it's not going to rust. Put all new rubbers back into it after we prep every single panel. Righto, Aliyah said not for me to do anything on this cruiser unless she can be here. And I said, cool, we've got to clean up inside of the cab. She said, oh, you can do that on your own. It's full of mouse poo and everything else. It's a bit yucky, a few spiders. Anyway, let's get straight into cleaning it up because it's pretty bad, and then that way Aliyah will be happy to get back into it. Righto, there's the steering wheel. This steering wheel is in pretty bad condition. It's got cracks all through it. Now I'm going to go on a bit of a rant here. There is some dodgy people out there on Facebook and Marketplace and all that stuff that are scamming a lot of people. unbelievable. They're stealing images, they're stealing profiles, and they're trying to take people's money. So I actually got scammed. I got done. Found a steering wheel on Marketplace for an old 60s 40 series on one of our forums. I thought, you little ripper. I asked the guy how much, he gave me a price. I thought it was pretty fair. I paid him, and then the dodgy guy had the hide to ask for more money, saying that it'd be refundable insurance. Insurance is not refundable, you idiot. Anyway, luckily for me, I paid through PayPal and I was able to get all my money back. But we kept playing the game back and forth. Then I found where he had stolen the image from. He stole it from someone on i8 Mad. Just be careful out there. If you're unsure of something, right click it, do a Google image search, see where the image is from, do a profile check. There's guys out there trying to scam you for everything. Unbelievable. I got it. Nice one. Yeah. Righto, we've come across some really stubborn bolts in this window frame. Very difficult, haven't they been, Aliyah? Yeah. So, we sort of run out of options. We've tried everything else. Unfortunately, we have to drill out the heads of the bolts. R10 is absolutely awesome for getting right into those really, really rusted bits and pieces, and it's freed up majority of the old rusted bolts and stuff on the cab. Unfortunately, it just didn't get enough for these ones. So I'm just using a bit of R1 as cutting fluid. Aliyah's going to drill them out, and hopefully we'll be able to lift this out and then either drill and tap out the thread later on. Righto, let's get into it. That's it. Don't use that long dry for a drought shirt.
It's yours anyway.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh. Got it. That's it. One half of the window's off. That's it. Winner, winner. This is the first time I've actually seen a date on something. So we've got 1965 on the little wiring harness to the wipers, which is really cool. Okay, open the door handle. Let's get the fuel tank out now. Don't cut your fingers.
My fingers aren't even near it.
Whoa! Look how brittle that is.
Oh my God. No, that's because it's all down here. Ew.
Oh, yuck, a rat's nest.
I don't know.
My hand. Just leave that the way it is for the moment.
Push all the wiring through. No, pull all the wiring through. No, just leave it. Make up your mind.
Alright, let's take the dash out. Now up.
Was that a spider?
No simple big round plug. It does make it easier for us when we go to make up a new wiring loom, but Aliyah's going to learn how to do that.
This looks like the word confusion.
Confusion?
Like if the word confusion had
a look?
Yeah.
This is what confusion would look like.
Yep.
This wiring harness has been pretty butchered. Had all these gauges down the bottom wired up. We also had a UHF, there was sirens, there was lights. That's what all these mad switches on the dash are for. There's lots of little lights all over the dash too. That all would have been part of the fire truck setting. There we go. 60,625 miles. Your key?
Yes.
Have a look at it.
Yeah, no, I just saw that.
It's the genuine Toyota key. Don't lose that key. Not sure what that one there is. Let's see if we can free all these switches up. Your air conditioner.
Yep.
Alright. Push it through. Alright. There you go, Aliyah. We'll use that to make a new harness. Good job. What are you going to do? Oh. Righto, thank you so much, Aliyah. It has been a big day. We've got Sam right down to the bare bones, just the structure of the cab. There is nothing left besides the accelerator pedal, but that's it. And, and the tunnel, but that's got a few broken bolts we're going to have to cut off. Everything is stripped out of him, and Aliyah actually spent a fair bit of time polishing up and giving it the patina look with the R22 and some R1 to finish it off. It looks amazing. Good job, Aliyah. It looks really, really nice. As I said, the inside of the cab is bare. The next thing we've got to do is really clean that up with a wire wheel inside and underneath. The outside staying just as Ali has finished it off now, maybe with a clear coat or something like that, maybe, we're not sure. But the inside of the cab, show them what we're going to do, Ali. A nice, beautiful gloss red. Righto, so this looks absolutely spectacular. It's a ChemTools red, the NPR, but this one looks so nice with what colour seats?
White.
White, so they're going to be white seats. Beautiful red. We're going to restore the dash. I think this thing will look absolutely spectacular, especially with a fully restored motor. It's going to be absolute mint. The reason we're going to keep it patina on the outside is it tells a story of what it did. It shows its battle scars of being a fire truck, keeps that heritage, and I think that'll be a really good story to tell later on. But anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank you, Aliyah. Thanks guys so much for your support, and until next time.
Thanks for watching.